Hello, and welcome to the office, which was a guest bedroom before the pandemic. But since I've been spending a lot of time here, a lot of the work I do is on the computer, I've worked hard to create an environment that works really well for me and figured I would share a lot of the things that I've been using. Simple things. Obviously, there's no one-click solution to staying focused for work, but in terms of keeping the anxiety lower and getting things done, here's what I've been using.
Break the switch.
Okay, so to kick things off, this is a little device called Timular. It makes it so that you don't have to go into some software or do anything to track what you're doing. It really helps you just pay attention to how you're spending your time each day. And I don't know why meditating is money, maybe because that's how you cash those spiritual checks. Anyway, it's just a really nice physical reminder of the one task you are intending to focus on right in this moment. So unless you have a standing desk or something, you're going to need somewhere to sit, and hopefully it's comfortable because you're probably sitting in it a lot. Now, this is the Soutien ergonomic office chair from FlexiSpot, and they were kind enough to send me this chair so I could try it out. As you can see, almost every aspect of this is customizable. The headrest, you have the 3D lumbar support that goes up and down. You can move it yourself just like this. And then the 4D armrests that move in 4 different ways. It's worked well for me just because I'm a little bit taller, so it's nice to be able to put those exactly where I need them. So if you need an office chair, you're looking for some more support, you can check out the link in the description of this video to get $15 off your own chair and support my work here with Break the Twitch. So I listen to a lot of music, especially when I'm working. I use it to focus. And so having a nice pair of headphones for me is really important. Music is really grounding for me and just something that I want to experience at a high level, but still being reasonable. And so that's what this is for me. And I would recommend you do something like this for yourself if it's important to you too. It wasn't until I started getting into filmmaking and that kind of stuff that I realized the importance and the effect of soft lighting. These are just some cheap paper lanterns that I have going to a plug-in cable, and there are 3 of them just in each of the corners of this room. It's one of these things that you don't really realize the impact that this like harsh lighting is having on you, but once you change it to something like this, even if it's a temporary setup like I have here, you will notice a big difference. In the realm of game-changing focus assistant gadgets, this one is one that ranks up there for me. It's a silent timer, and you can just set it for however many minutes you want, and it doesn't tick, it doesn't do anything. Just at the end, it goes like this. And you can even make that super quiet or turn it off completely. These black rectangles are audio panels, another thing from the audio engineering and video production space. It's surprising how much more peaceful a room can be when there isn't a ton of echo and harsh, just like reverb in the room coming from the AC, coming from everything else. I even created this temporary one that I can hang on the closet if I need some extra absorption. For many, this might be obvious, but it took me a while to add some more plants like this to the office space, and it's really made a difference in just how I feel, and just it feels more alive in there. It's really great. There are some extra care requirements and stuff like that, but just the energy of having some green leafery is really wonderful. And of course, you can't forget the office dog. Obviously, dogs are a ton of responsibility and require a lot of work, but also I wouldn't trade this little guy for the world. He really just adds a lot of peace and comfort to the day-to-day environment. And I don't know why he's sitting down there right now. There's a perfectly good couch right behind us. So I hope you are able to find some inspiration for ideas about things you can try to chill out your own office space or your working area, whatever it may be, even if it's this yoga mat that I literally just started using after having for a very long time. Make sure to check the description for links to any of this stuff. And of course, leave a comment if you have a question, idea, or a thought you'd like to share around your own peaceful office space setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.